Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to send blank message on Facebook Messenger. For the settings, you have to open a browser on Chrome. Then you have to search blank Unicode. After searching blank Unicode, you can see here empty character browser website. Go to the website here and scroll down, and you can see here select text. After clicking the select text, then you have to go to your profile and select a person, which person you want to send the blank text. I select the group and paste the message. Paste. Go to copy to clipboard. Then send. See guys, the message has been sent. For your zoom. See guys, the message has been sent. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.